talk about my productive video, and it's just a behind the scenes with me. I was able to meal prep. I want to do my nails today. There's something I want to do today, and I have some laundry to do today. So I was thinking if I should do a weekend vlog, and then I have some how-to tutorials because I have an eyebrow tutorial coming and a few other videos. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on.
Should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist different prior. I try to be all your
self-control is everything. There's a ring with a rod. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks. How the fuck you keep so many seeds? How you going vegan but still vegan? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't compete. I see it back in the church. Remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip. When you got back on the shit, I had to tell you go get it. I'm always moving too fast. The feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got this you try, yeah. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good. These guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, yeah, yeah, yeah. You playing with my heart, wow, wow. You playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe.
Morning, so I could finally sit down and talk to you all without being up and down. I'm working on being productive. So last night I meal prep some chia pudding for my breakfast, and that's what I'm eating right now. So I'm eating chia pudding, yogurt, and watermelon. Not bad. I also have to make content for my Instagram. I was trying to grow that as well, but I have been neglecting that. So yesterday I did my bathroom, and I was on that bathroom from like about 11 a.m. to say about after 9. I did take breaks in between, but that was a major task that I need to get out of the way, and I am so happy that I did. I have to make some Instagram content, and yeah, I have a lot, so I wonder if I should do behind the scenes weekly. So this video is from yesterday, which was Sunday. Now I'm getting ready for work, which is Monday. So it's not bad, but yeah, I didn't put on a mascara. I think I want to do my lashes, but they itch for some reason. When anybody else struggle with this, when you put lashes on your eyes, do they itch a lot? But anyway, looking at the time, you can let me know in the comment section about that, or if there's any special video you want me to make, you can let me know in the comment section. But I have to go get ready for work, so I'll see you guys later.